Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I am so happy because I am on Legend of the Seas and it's the inaugural sailing, so I'm having a lot of fun. In this vlog, I actually tried and experienced the Royal Railway restaurant and I'm excited to share about that, and I'm excited to share my room with you even though it's messy today. But yes, we spent the morning just relaxing. We went to the pool deck, we went to get coffee, we sat in the aquadome and did all the things. We came back and our room was already cleaned by our lovely room attendant. She made us this towel animal. Hello and welcome to my cruise room. This is the state that we are in at the moment. It's so bright and early, and we are parked right next to this huge gigantic ship from MSC, so that is very cool. And I wanted to show you guys this makeup bag. Isn't it so cool? It has a light on it which changes color and it changes brightness. That's so cool. And I keep my makeup brushes here, and this is basically all my makeup, my broken compact powder and everything. We got these cups and we also got more things. Actually, we got these backpacks and we got these hats. We also got a duck because on this ship they are playing a show called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I'm sure it's based on the movie and the book. This is outside. This is Marseille. This is the parking lot. I'm sure a lot of people are getting on the ship right now, parking here, then getting on the ship, this ship or that one. This is the ship that we are parked next to, MSC Marvigilia something. The room is a mess. I brought these baskets. They're really handy for the clothes that are like, they're not dirty but they're worn, so I kept my gym clothes there. This is my side of the bed. That's my husband's side, and we have put a lot of clothes. We have made use of these, and what I really love is that behind this mirror there's an entire cupboard, and I have kept my water here. So yes, I was about to get ready and I thought I would show you the chaos of this room. Egg tart with the view. I'm getting ready for dinner right now. I've decided to wear this shirt with these pants. Going to the Royal Railway. It's so cute because it comes with these tickets. Hair is in a braid. Look. I have come to the conclusion that this is the best way to wear this outfit. Anyway, I'm about to do my nails. I think this goes well because it's pink and it's blue, and I don't know, I just have a feeling that it goes well with the outfit and everything. So I'm just gonna sit here and do my nails. The nails are done. They look very cute, if I do say so myself. And I think let's go. It's done. This is the hair. The final look of the hair.
China.
Thank you. Ni hao.
But these ancient sandstone pillars have been carved by time and long stirred the imaginations of poets.
Have this Odia spring mushroom roll,
Here they stand,
Hoisin
meant only for the brave
egg roll,
to behold.
and this one tofu shumai. Have here ginger vinegar, soya sauce, and sweet chili sauce. This is a fortune card for your good luck.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Thank you so much.
What begins together ends well. वो देखें देखें
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dinner and the show, Taj Mahal. I have a trick for knowing on which side the Taj Mahal will appear. The Taj Mahal will always be on the... The Taj Mahal will always be on the... It's always on the side with the elephants. Oh well, you can't miss it. Before long, the festivities of Holi will begin, the colourful powders blowing in the wind. This celebration takes over the city every year and has inspired your appetizer course. In order to enjoy this next course properly, the Culinary Brigade has urged me to share with you a traditional custom here in India. In this culture, the role of the community's elders is held in the highest...
This is a naan and papad, palak paneer, butter chicken, vegetable biryani, tawa fish fry, potato chop with chicken,
The Taj Mahal,
and
or Water
raita
Palace,
we have
appears to
tamarind
float
chutney.
serenely. Shashak, sometimes called the cradle of
Coconut milk,
civilization, where some of
lychee
humanity's
pistachio
early
sorbet.
settlements likely took root. These ancient ridges stretch across Persia's backbone, the Zagros Mountains.
And lychee pistachio sorbet. Welcome to Turkey.
Thank you.
So, bread is coming from hot air balloon.
Yes.
How this lavash bread, sweet and naan. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Adana kebab. Silk road shrimp.
Thank you.
Oh, you are Muslim. 3 days right over here. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
then known as Anatolia, the great crossroads of east and west, where travelers from many worlds converged. Along these roads, caravanserais sprang up, shared shelters where strangers all rested beneath one roof. They eat from the same fire and exchange much more than goods, philosophies, traditions, ideas. A group of people carving out a home for themselves, an innovation never before seen in the 13th century. Mosaic, the four corners of the world.
The Royal Railway gives to you the Venetian mask. It's time to wear it. We are going to approach the Carnival in Italy now. Stracciatella gelato, raspberry bombolini, limone, and maraschino cherry truffle. Please enjoy.
Perfect. Thank you.
With a view of Italy. All these desserts. I want to start with the lemon. See the lemon.
Without my glasses, I don't see A traditional toast might be "Aapki sehat ke liye," a Hindi phrase meaning "to your health," something like that. In Persia, the word is "Bey salamenti." In Turkey, a raised glass is met with "sheref," and in Italy, they say, "Please just give me the wine."